Alright, yet again, another Uniden Washington that came in for some couple mods and some basic service. So this one here got a recap, alignment, got the mode lights. I know it looks purple, it's actually blue. Got the blue LED channel display. Yeah, recapped, aligned, variable in the back. So this one goes from pretty much 0 all the way up to, I think it's like 10, 11 watts. We can actually do it when we do our tests. But yeah, it's looking good. Cleaned up the front. There was some weird like residue drips coming down here. It was kind of hard to get off. You have to be careful sometimes. If you use some cleaner and you know, you think you're going to get rid of the stain, but then you end up getting rid of the silk screening as well. So you tread lightly when you clean these things. But what else can I say about this other than it's just a good working radio. Now, Skip's coming in like crazy lately. But what we can do is we can do our tests, and we can just basically, yeah, basically it's more or less just a tune-up report for the customer, so you can see how it's actually working. All right, well, let me get this on the dummy load and a watt meter, and we can see what it's doing for power. We can put it on the scope and check out modulation and whatnot. All right, stand by. All right, I got the cover back on. This one's in really nice shape. Cover's in really nice shape. Yeah, not a dent anywhere on the cover. No rust. Couple of whiskey licks here and there on the front of the radio here, but again, it's overall, it's I give this thing like a B+ for what it's worth. But let's check out the variable. So we have keying up right now. So this is your 4, but let's go up first. I'm sorry, I thought it was 10. That's 8. Right, 5, 6, more, 7. That's a 7, all the way down to almost 0. Yeah, so that's a good range for driving any low drive amp. Yeah, 7. All right, put that back to 4. All right, meter spot on for TX. All right, let's get this on the scope and see how transmit looks on the oscilloscope. All right, stand by. All right, let me get a tone going to it. It's a nice, beautiful waveform. All right, let's look at sideband. And let me get a... I don't know if this image is going to stabilize, but we'll try it. Right. Lower sideband. No. Hold on. Let me get this stabilized. Stand by. All right. Here we go. Two-tone. All right. Nice. That's a beautiful looking waveform. Alright, trying to keep this video as short as possible. So let's try now. You can try doing receive test. Let's check out the sensitivity on that, and that's about it for tests. You can do an S9. That's really about it. Then we'll do a monitor radio test, see how this thing sounds on the other side, and we'll do a on-air test. We'll do the usual. All right, stand by. All right, here we go with the receive. We've got an S9 going to it. All right, perfect. All right, let's do our sensitivity test. All right. Is minus 90. 100 minus 110. Minus, I'll call it that, 110, 11, 12, minus 112 dBm. That's pretty damn good. Yeah, it's a good listening radio. Alright, let's put this on the monitor radio, and then we'll do our on-air channel surfing. Alright, stand by. Alright, we're on channel 20. 19's a little busy with skip. Alright, so let's see here. We got everything. Everything's good. Alright. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, audio, audio. Testing out this Uniden Washington. This is probably the 5th Washington of the month. Maybe like a month and a half. Yeah, that's how many of these I do. It's looking good, sounding good. Yeah, it's a good sounding radio. I definitely like the blue, even though it looks like it's purple, but it's definitely blue. Channel display as well as mode lights. Yeah, it's looking good. Looking good, sounding good, ready to be put into service. Alright, let's do some channel surfing. Stand by. Alright, let's see what's going on out there. Seems to be a lot of skip.
So, Scotland, please tell me what your first person is, if you would, please. Okay, Ron, my personal name is Stephen, Ron. Mr. Bishop in Texas. The operator name is Stephen. My full call is 108.
That's Scotland.
108 Lima Radio 126. 108 Lima Radio 126. The operator name is Stephen, like Steven Spielberg. And I was just into Scotland, Ron. And it's first spot you fit is Mr. Ron, and you're giving me a 40 dB. A 40 dB, but I hope you're having a nice Saturday afternoon, and the propagation is good, my friend, Ron, over. Roger, Stephen. I'll tell you what, you're doing the same thing, man. 108 Lima Radio 126. I got it all, and I got it in the logbook, Stephen. Yeah, you're doing the same thing on the signal, man. Really nice signal coming in here with a beautiful sounding audio radio. Hey, take care, Stephen. God bless you. I'm going to get out of the way before I get somebody upset that I'm hogging the frequency. So, Stephen, take care, and God bless you, my friend. 108 Lima Radio 126, Central Scotland. Stephen, take care, and God bless you, my friend. 73 from your friend over here in Northeast Texas, the old bull shipper, the mud duck moderator. Out here in Texas. We're back on the side. Thank you, Stephen. 886. 26, 148 England, 600 Oklahoma stateside with the wave. You know, it's like a triple sign. Line out. Ok. Pelo menos conheço aí já conheço. 1, 2, 3.
That's Portugal. Portugal's usually busy on 34. Actually, no, because I'm Portuguese. Well, I'm like Portuguese descent. I'm born here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. But yeah, my parents are from the Azores, so I speak, read, write very well Portuguese. Let's try AM. Let's go to the AM, see what's going on out there. Those high-powered guys on 6.
vertical or he needs to be horizontal. So 9 times out of 10, I just need a vertical. Hey, son. Station number 1, he's trying to collect some of that gift card money, will you?
320 Boston, Massachusetts. Anybody got a copy on me? 320 Boston, Mass. Anybody got a copy on 320 Boston, Mass? 320 Boston, Massachusetts. Waving. Not today.
Central Scotland, you see. Have a nice day, guys. Well, I got a bunch of guys in here, 20 over, so it's rough.
320 Boston, Massachusetts. Waving. 320 Boston, Massachusetts. Anybody got a copy on 320 Boston, Mass?
Hey, 320 Boston, Massachusetts. 320 Boston, Massachusetts.
That was a Scotland guy. I heard my number 320, but yeah, you coming in on all the traffic. Come again? Who was that? Called out 320. Ah.
Station Arizona, the operator in Arizona, Unit 126, Central Scotland, UK, listening.
Tried. At least he heard me. Figures everybody talks when he's talking. Alright guys, I'm going to end it here. I wish I could continue on, but I'm really slammed with work. But here you go, Scott. Here's your other Uniden Washington. Man, he's been sending me, I got a Madison, a couple Washingtons, I got 2 Cobra 2000s, well, I got one done already for him, I got another one here. So yeah, just banging these out. Alright, thanks for watching.